area.
Anong level, Ate Gay?
Level 3.
Ang sama naman ang ginawa mo, parking area.
At least social may mga shade.
Oo,
Kasi open.
At saka nakikita ko sa level, Ate Gay.
Ready sumagot, di ba?
Yeah, people.
I was born in a hospital.
So at what age did you arrive there? Pakina, English na dito.
Bakit naman hindi nyo tinuruan ang Tagalog to?
What?
He was 6 months old when he left.
6 months old.
6 months old.
Yes, Captain B.
Are you cut or uncut?
Are you already, alam mo, si Ate Gay lang dapat ang makakapag-usap niyan eh. Ate Gay, kausapin mo siya.
Come on, baby. Come on, come on,
Ate
come
Gay.
here.
Baby.
Kausapin mo, Ate Gay, alam kong ikaw lang ang makakapag-converse sa kanya. This is Kuya Gay. Ate Gay pala.
Hi, baby.
Talk to him.
Are you
Talk to her.
okay? Sleep, sleep, baby, sleep.
Yaya!
Sinang yaya?
Tilong-tilong
Ano ba sabi? Wash your eyes, wash your eyes. Wash your eyes, wash your eyes.
DH.
Wait, for a change, how about you asking a question to Ali Gay? You ask the question to Ali Gay.
How young are you, baby?
Kasi dali siya muna.
Ano ba?
Siya ang tatanong.
Any question?
Any question?
How old are you?
Yes!
Oh.
Yes!
Wala pa akong 100.
English! Ate Gay, English yun eh.
Come again?
What?
Are you cut or uncut?
Wala. Julina,
You want to see mine? You want to cut mine?
Are you gay?
Yes!
Oh, I'm Silahis.
Oh, what's it nice in English?
Bisexual.
May sexual yan? Putok na putok ang